Oh man, it is so good to be back on the bike. It's been a long week of car journeys and trucking. Well, man, is it so good to be on the bike again. Yeah, I'm heading into work. I've only got a few hours to do on the fork truck in the yard, but man, is it good to be on the bike. So it's nearly Christmas. I hope everybody's got their Christmas shopping done. All prezzies wrapped up and underneath the Christmas tree. I think I've mentioned in a few of my past videos, whether they've made it to YouTube or not, I don't know. I can't remember, being quite honest. I know I've done a lot of recording, but stumbled on editing. My main problem was the microphone on this drift. It was set too high, so it kept peaking. Anyway, that's for another day. What I've been working on quite a lot is home automation, and I've set up a home automation server on a Raspberry Pi, and then I've built various Arduino based circuits using the ESP8266 little Wi-Fi module, running Arduino on that Wi-Fi module, controlling a temperature sensor, a one-wire bus temperature sensor. I think it's a DS18B20, and also a dual channel relay board. And so what I've done is I've got the Christmas tree power supply. I'll include some photos in the vlog, actually. It might be of interest to some people. So I've got the Christmas tree power supply, which in my case has been around 12 to 18 volts. I've then used a DC to DC converter to take a spur or tap off that voltage from the Christmas light transformer down to 5 volts to run my ESP. Well, it's actually 3.3, but they have a little voltage regulator on them already, so I can run 5 volts to the relay board. The little voltage converter on board will drop it down to 3.3 volts to run the ESP and the Arduino. And then basically what it does is it listens for a message on my home MQTT server, which is running on a Raspberry Pi. So I can set up some rules. When this rule fires, it sends a message out on MQTT. The ESP on the end of the Christmas lights waits for the message on the certain topic, and basically opens or closes the relay, which in turn puts the lights on and off. So you might be thinking, yeah, but you can get those fancy wall timer things and you just program those in. You could do that, but then you could also approach it in the geekiest way possible. And the nice thing is about the home automation server is it ties into my Google Nest for temperature. It ties into my Philips Hue for the light bulbs, and so things like the temperature inside the house, outside the house, your location data, whether you're at home or not, whether the dog's at home or not, is all tracked in MySQL, which is amazing because it means in about 6 to 8 months time there's going to be enough data there for some statistics, and I love statistics. And it also means that in coming years I will have annual data, so I'll be able to compare temperatures this year with temperatures last year, and in future years this information can get archived, and we can produce some nice graphs and charts, which is all stuff that I like doing, because I like crunching data. So yeah, I'm interested to know how many other people are interested and have done home automation systems. One thing I would really love to do is automate my curtains. Although I think this coming year I'm going to replace curtains with either roller blinds or Venetian blinds, and have a little ESP8266 and a motor relay and some kind of a motor and a gearbox to control those. Now you can buy kits, and the kits you can buy, it's round about £350 plus shipping from America to get these curtain tracks over here, and that's a little excessive. Mind you, Philips light bulbs are expensive, they're £50 each. But yeah, the one thing I would love to do is to automate my curtains. I've got the TV sort of fairly automated now. When you put the TV on, the TV backlight works. Although I'm going to be changing that. I'm sort of inspired by the Ambilight project from, I think, Philips actually. TVs used to do an Ambilight, where it takes the edge of the picture and extends those colours to an LED strip around the back of the TV. So say the bottom corner was yellow, then the LEDs on the back in the bottom corner would be yellow. And if the sky was blue, you'd end up with blue LEDs glowing around the top. So it just basically extended the picture and projected it behind. So what I want to do with that is use a Raspberry Pi, take the TV video signal, push it through the Pi will do some magic, convert it into a series of commands to send to a WS8212 LED strip, which will be stuck to the back of the TV. And basically I can then send it commands from home automation that when the TV's on, it can run like my Ambilight clone, and when it's off it can just either glow or rainbow or strobe or flash at 10 times a second, or whatever you want it to do. So that's another project, and it's certainly keeping me entertained this winter, building all these little Arduino circuits and so on. And yes, I could spend some more money and buy like the Samsung Smart Things plug sockets to turn Christmas lights on and off, but where's the fun in that? So yeah, if you're interested in home automation, drop a comment. If you want to see some tutorials and things, I might upload some on my second channel. 'Cause I'm going to keep this channel dedicated to motor vlogging, and then I'm going to have a second channel for random junk. So yeah, if you want to know, if you want to see that, then drop a comment, and don't forget to share the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vloggity vlog. Ride safe. I might actually see you after work. Toodle pips.